P1 portable printer. It is a versatile and compact portable printer for you to print all your name, emojis, barcodes, etc. Let's go ahead to unwrap the product. The overall packaging style of the product is really stylish and professional. Let's go ahead to unbox it. Inside the box, you will find a pack of user guide and accessories, a printer head, a box of charging cable, one Selpic portable printer and an ink cap, all stored nicely in the packaging. The Selpic portable printer on first glance feels really sturdy and lightweight, making it really portable. The chrome accents make the overall feel of the product more premium. You will find a roller beside the ink print head slot, which is for you to get a perfect, aligned print whenever you are rolling it across a surface. The next step is for you to download the Selpic app from your app store. Once downloaded, the setup configuration is really simple. Just connect to your Selpic printer, link it up to your Wi-Fi network, and you are all set up and ready to print. On the app, there will be an input area for you to key in what you want to be imprinted onto your paper. You can type out in words what you want to be printed onto your paper. Other than text, you can also input emojis that are featured on Selpic's emoji keyboard. Or even create a workable QR code or barcode for people to scan and access it. This is so cool. Next step is to send the data to the printer wirelessly via your app. Click on the send button, and the data will be transmitted. Before you print, insert the print head into the Selpic portable printer machine. It is really compact and looks technologically advanced. Cool. Now let's try it out on a piece of blank paper to see how the print quality is. Remember to press the print button and the green LED indicator will start blinking, meaning you can start rolling the printer to generate your print. Oh my gosh, the print quality is excellent and it looks so cute. The lining and details are fine and accurate. Seeing words printed directly from this miniature printer is just so magical and fascinating. There is also many different fonts to select from. Choose the one that fits your typing style best. The Selpic emoji keyboard offers multiple types of emojis for you to express in your print. The choices are endless and super cute and adorable, which you can add into your print to make them more friendly and expressive. Type in multiple paragraphs too. The printer will print it accurately as inputted in the app. It looks really awesome. The print quality is excellent thanks to the fine 0.02 inch per nozzle, and each head has 300 nozzles, producing 18 million drops per second, ensuring smooth and high quality prints every single time. Overall, the Selpic P1 portable handheld printer is a truly innovative technological device which allows you to print anything on any printable surface anytime anywhere, print on cups, bags, artworks, worksheets and many more. The design is ergonomic and versatile, and is one of the most portable handheld printers available in the market. We absolutely love its design, quality and reliability.